guys, happy Friday. How's everybody doing? I hope you all are doing well. I'm actually filming Thursday because tomorrow I'm unable to do a video. You guys know me, I usually film and post in the same day unless I've got stuff going on. So anyway, the reason I can't film tomorrow is because we are moving. You guys may remember maybe a month ago, we were doing apartment tours with my daughter and we thought we had found her one, but we ended up backing out of that because they upped the price like tremendously. So we thought, let's just be patient. There's no rush and we'll see what comes up. A few weeks ago, we went apartment touring again and we found the perfect apartment. Now, my third oldest loves city living. She is very independent. She loves living in the city. She loved living in Pittsburgh. She knew she was going to want to be in the DC area somewhere, you know, in that vicinity. And so it was really difficult trying to find a place that we felt would be safe for her. And this area that we found is just, it's beautiful, a lot of young adults, and it seems very safe, very clean. We love it. When my daughter graduated this year, we asked her, what would you like for a graduation gift? Do you want to go somewhere? What would you like? One thing she said is, I would love help getting into my apartment. It is so expensive these days. That's why so many kids are living at home with their folks. And so she said, if you guys can help me, you know, get through that door and maybe help with some decor and furnishings, that would be the best graduation gift ever. And with that said, my daughter worked really hard in school. She made the dean's list every year. So we thought, oh, she deserves it. Let's gift her. Let's get her well on her way. So anyway, what I thought I would do today, because I do have to pack her, we got a U-Haul, we have movers, I thought I would share some of the items I got for her new place, because I got a lot of these things at really good prices. You might benefit from that if you see anything you like. This daughter loves blue and white. It's her thing. So actually, I'm going to start with Walmart Kitchen Edition. Get this little kitchen set I got from Walmart. You get the little mitts, and then, aren't those cute? This is her style. And then I got her these really cute kitchen towels, also from Walmart, part of the Beautiful line. Very, very good quality. I'm really impressed with the quality. The Drew Barrymore Beautiful line. And this too. And this is really cute. These are dish towels. So you get this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I would say she is set on dish towels. A lot of this is going to be mixed. It's mostly Amazon and Walmart. So this is Amazon. It's a cute scrub brush with a little white dish. She can set this beside her sink like that. I buy these for my kitchen and I love them. Because she loves the white aesthetic, I got her the beautiful Drew Barrymore line toaster. The little gold lever that pulls down, and then it's white. I got this on Amazon, this utensil set. You get 10 pieces and it's white with the little brown handles. I have these too and I love them. So I got her this little flatware set from Walmart, and I actually love the silverware because it's like ribbed. I like it. I got her a set of 3 whisks. Next, I got her this 15-piece kitchen set from Amazon. It's this color wood with white knives. So I thought that'd be cute sitting out on her counter. Then I got her this Mainstays glass mixing bowl set. Look how many bowls you get in this set. I actually have this set too. I got this when we went and moved to the loft, and I love these. You have a lot of options, so great set for the price. And then I got her this from Walmart, casserole dish set, and some of them come with these little lids and bowls. Oven Basics from Walmart. I got her the baking sheet set. I got her a 16-piece Rubbermaid set, so if she has leftovers and she wants to take it to work with her, she can just throw it in here and she's good to go. I got this for her silverware. She has a big shower with big glass doors, so I got her a squeegee so she can clean the glass. Got her a wine opener, pizza cutter, and a colander. I got her one of these so she can do her banana bread, zucchini bread, that kind of thing. I got her one of these and some of these. Because I have an extra one of these little olive oil bottles from Amazon, I'm giving her one with the tags so she can put this on a little cutting board and style it. I got her 4 of these. She requested these. She loves these. She loves taking drinks in the car, so she'll just put, you know, she'll do lemon water, a smoothie, and she'll just grab it and take it in the car. Walmart. Got her this really nice white cooking set from Amazon. I don't want to take it out, but you can see it's a beautiful set. I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. Okay, let's jump into a little bit of the decor, and then we're gonna go back to some more kitchen stuff. But isn't this lamp adorable? I liked it so much, I got her one and I got myself one. See right here, it comes with a charging cord. You just touch it. I like the warm white the best, but you have different colors. This is my favorite by far. Isn't the design adorable? I love it. These are not my daughter's. I was just opening up boxes that were by the front door and I'm like, those are mine. They finally came. They were out of stock and then they got delayed and then they finally made it to me. But they're really pretty. I got 2. These are 2 groupings and you get all these flowers. And then you just kind of bend them and spread them out into your vase. And these are beautiful. Look at the colors. They're really, really pretty. She's gonna be doing a grouping of 6 pictures. I got the prints that she wanted and then I got the gold frames. And then we're gonna do like a little gallery wall with these frames. So all the rest of her stuff is showing up tonight, but again, she's into the blue and white aesthetic. So we got this throw blanket and I'm going to put a picture of the pillow covers that she's getting right here. And then I'm gonna put a picture of her comforter that she's getting, got extra pillow covers, so we will probably throw those on the bed. Now she wanted a silk pillowcase, so I got her one. It comes like this, but it's really soft. So your hair doesn't get tangled when you sleep. So I'm gonna share the glasses I got her on Amazon right here, and her dish set. So in her apartment, we're gonna glam it up. And as you kind of walk in, it's really tall ceilings with a few recessed lights. And we were standing there and we thought, you know what? 2 chandeliers would really glam it up and make it look different. Also to the apartment she is getting, nobody's ever lived in it. It's brand new. So it's gonna be so much fun. I'm not gonna take these out, but what I got her was 2 gold lantern chandeliers. I'll put a picture right here of what it looks like. They are so cute and so well priced, so well priced. So she's gonna have those, like adding the drama when you walk in. My daughter chose this artwork and like I said, we're a Christian family and she loves Jesus. I went to look at all the items she wanted in her cart. She had this one and I said, did you put that in there? I was just surprised. And she goes, no, I did that. And I want it to be the focal point when you come through my door. And I said, oh, that is so sweet. And it's a picture of Jesus. I'll put a picture of it right there. And here is the size box it comes in. And what she wanted to do is she wanted to get one of those, these lights. A picture light. And so when you come in her door, there's a little wall and we're gonna put the picture of Jesus with the gold picture light above it, shining down on it, and it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, and those gold picture frames. Ironically enough, she got Christian prints that go in there. So, and they're really pretty. So I'll put a picture of what those look like right here. So it'll be sort of a little cohesive vibe, you know, you enter and see Jesus, and then somewhere else, she has the Christian prints that tie into it. With the gold lanterns, you get the gist. Got her these wall sconces, and we'll do some sort of artwork and put these on, one on either side. For the things that haven't arrived, I'll splash some pictures up, because everything is very reasonably priced and you guys might like it. So I'll share it, and again, I'll link it below if you want to check it out. Also hooked her up with a broom, foil, like all the stuff you need to get started. So I've got all that laid out on the table. Hand soaps, light bulbs, mop, broom, vacuum, that kind of thing. She'll be on her way to adulting. And I was just thinking today, my, how time flies. It just poof, and they're on their own. Also a little bittersweet, you know? It just is for us moms. We're happy for them, but we also are like, we're getting old. Friends, thank you so much for joining me. I want to thank you guys. Thank you for being patient with me. I know you guys are just dying for a home tour, and I don't blame you, but you guys know I'm like so OCD. I'm so OCD, and I don't like showing spaces unfinished. I decorate with you and then share the whole space. So that is going to be coming up. I made a lot of headway this week. The basement, it's all cleaned and vacuumed. I've placed all the furniture. It's ready for decorating. We will resume decorating next week for sure. And what else did I want to tell you? I just want to thank you guys for your wonderful comments. And I hope you guys will give me a little grace as I'm getting through the next couple of weeks. And then it should start slowing down a little bit. That's why I haven't been really great commenting back. So I'm definitely going to heart any comments that anyone leaves me. And if I can, I will respond, but I can tell you right now, I'm gonna be dog tired this weekend after this move, especially in this heat. It is insanely hot here. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. I will see you back here next week. Love you all so much. And we'll have some fun next week, and I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.